morning to all. Myself Dr. P. Janaratnam, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Actually, in my previous video, I already discussed about the DD-based crop cutting machine. Today, our students they are elaborately explain about the case study, which is related to the design and application of solar-based crop cutting machines by using the chain drive mechanisms and using the some of the generic applications. They have incorporated some of the advanced tools which will be able to operate the farmer by using the hand mobiles. Okay, which will be elaborated the case study by our students.
Myself and others. Mostly farmers uses the manual method to cut the crop. In this system, we introduce the AI operator system because we farmers cannot afford energy, labor, and expenses. So we implemented the user-friendly machine for the farmers, and it is we use as a drive shape mechanism. Especially we use as a drive shape mechanism because controls the overload capacity, which uses the heavy load and cut the crops in the uses. And we use the solar power. Because the solar power is user friendly and you can abandon energy in the earth. This solar power converts the energy to the battery, and the battery supplies the energy to the motor. It runs the blade and cut the crops. What will be explained by the battery?
Include the batteries, some 4.5 amps battery and 6 voltage battery. Now inside the battery, we connected two batteries in series. Totally 12 voltage battery. The output comes 11.5 comes output. Like here, blade is stainless steel. Why use stainless steel? Not rust form. And this is accessible for the trimming, short plant or medium plants. And only most front and back. Why are we use the side, not blade in the front side? So
you can use only the forward and reverse direction because most of the land and crops are in the horizontal way or the vertical way only we have to plant. So that's why only they have to design for the front and back. In future, if any necessity or specifications added means we have to incorporate some other mechanisms to drill how we are drilling and in future they have to incorporate.
And running RPM is 200 RPM motor used in project, and cutting motor RPM is also 200 RPM. Then we'll explain the cutting.
Main advantage of the system you should not reach low cost of fuel, low cost of labor, and sunlight is also available. We use it for mobile application. It is major advantage. It is used for the 10 to 20 meters distance. And now on the explaining the final output results.
For the farmers, we have developed a PC app to monitor the system and operate the system. Farmers who are not literacy, so they can easily operate the app. We have invented a easily operated app. The app will be operated by farmers. The system moves on the backward only because of the chain drive mechanism. We use the chain drive mechanism because it can uphold the load capacity and operate the motor. The motor runs about 1,400 RPM and the blade is made up of stainless steel. We use only a 3-blade mechanism. Based on the crop or the gas, we can change the technique. It will move forward and backward. The motor can be adjusted by using the manual. You can adjust by using manually only. By using the solar power, we charge it direct to the motor. The result will be
the input voltage used 12 watts. Solar panel up to 15 to 20 watts. Motor speed will use to 250 to 300 RPM. Operating time 2.5 hours. Changing time 4 to 5 hours. Cutting efficiency 85%.
And basically agriculture work is more manpower is needed and not easy work, but we have come with the idea of portable renewable energy and rechargeable energy. Basically we have created solar based property machines, 15 to 20 watt solar panel and 1100 RPM motor with stainless blade. In future ideas, we have extend the arm of the machine and the length of the skills according to our field works. The future ideas, we made up of chain drive mechanism, so we have move forward and backward because of most of the field works have only line based work, so we have used the chain drive mechanism. And easily increase the efficiency of the agriculture. Actually, our students are well explained the case studies which is related to the crop cutting machines, which will be this case study and which will be converted into real-time product. So, which is very much useful for the farmers for operating or cutting the crops by using the mobile applications as well as the saving of fuel energy. Nowadays, due to the car, the fuel also in future maybe increased nearby 15 to 20 rupees. So from that time also it will be basically used for the farmers for cutting the crop. So thank you our students for taking this useful case study for the agricultural field and as well as the farm. Thank you.